Hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. I'm back with a short clip here in Balatonfüred at the end of the pier, not far from the boat station in Spitz Bistro Bar. I've made this short clip for you because at the moment I'm looking for different IT experts for KBC Global Services Hungary that provides IT solutions for insurance and banking. We work in an international team with Belgian and Hungarian colleagues, and at the moment we are growing the Hungarian part of the team. And in this short clip I'm going to talk about the company, the team, the job specification, the package, the requirements, and the selection process as well. Well, at the moment I'm looking for a functional analyst who is specialized in Microsoft 365 solutions, and I'm sorry, I will have to read the job description loud because this is quite complex and long. So what the team is doing, there is an O365 integration team to integrate new technologies from the O365 suite. This is a team of developers, functional analysts and business analysts. We also have application managers to support the products that we deliver, and we work in a so-called safe agile framework with a scrum master and a product owner to facilitate the team and to manage the backlog. And we use different out-of-the-box solutions, but customization is also necessary sometimes. And what we expect from you is experience in analysis, analyzing complex business processes on an enterprise level. You will have to discover and translate business requirements into technical requirements, so we need some experience in this. You will have to communicate with business stakeholders and developers professionally, so you need to have good communication skills as well. Project management is also part of the job, guarding the scope of the project, functioning as a bridge between business and developers, and you will need to have good organizational and time management skills as well. End-to-end responsibility from intake to delivery as a summary. Okay, work independently as well as in the team in different roles. You will have to organize workshops and training programs. You need to have strong networking skills. What we are looking for is somebody who has Microsoft 365 knowledge on an expert level. For example, SharePoint, Teams, Viva Engage, Copilot, Power Automate, Power Apps and Power BI, Power Platform. Dataverse environment setup is also needed for this job, and of course some knowledge of the Microsoft Azure platform. And good knowledge of security risks and secure guidelines, so the solutions you provide can run in a secure cloud environment. So this is what you will have to provide basically. And of course we also require strong communication skills in English. Alright, so I think this is time for me to tell you some information about the package. So what we offer here at KBC Global Services Hungary is a competitive package including fringe benefits, which is 10% of your annual base salary. We also provide annual performance-based bonuses, a Medicover health package, company phone with mobile internet and private use, a special employee discount on different banking services, and KBC is a stable environment with different career opportunities, learning opportunities, different training courses and training programs, and this is an English-speaking environment with some business trips to Belgium, and we have flexible working hours, so there is no real check-in and no real check-out, and no one's gonna check your timesheet either. But we have very active teamwork, which means that we spend 2 days in the office on a weekly basis, and we have very active community life and different events such as dragon boating, beer and pizza parties and sports days. And we also have a company restaurant, a canteen on the 7th floor with a beautiful view over the Danube. And if you commute by bike, you can use the bicycle storage and the showers. Alright, and finally some words about the selection process. So the first step is a pre-screening call with me, the second one is a technical interview with the Belgian Scrum Masters and the technical team members, and the third one, the final one, is a personal HR interview in the Budapest office. So apply for the job if you are interested and if you fulfill the requirements. And if you have some more questions, then send me a LinkedIn message and I will call you back and we can talk about your salary expectation as well. So thank you very much for your attention. Thanks for your positive reactions and feedbacks, and thanks for resharing my previous clips too. Keep following me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, X, Facebook, Instagram and on WordPress, where I have a blog, plus the voice of these clips are also available in a podcast format on YouTube podcast. where I also publish on YouTube Short. So don't forget to follow me on social media too. Thank you very much and goodbye. Bye.